प्रिय दोस्तों, योगी बासु आप सभी का स्वागत अभिनंदन करता है। दोस्तों, चलिए करते हैं कुछ अभ्यास, वैसे अभ्यास जो डेली बेसिस पे प्रोफेशनल्स आसानी पूर्वक इस वीडियो को देखकर कर सकते हैं। सिंपल सा अभ्यास लेकिन बहुत ही इम्पैक्टफुल, सारे ऑर्गन को फिट रखने के लिए, पूरे बॉडी माइंड को होम्योस्टेसिस लेवल पे मेंटेन रखने के लिए इन अभ्यासों को आप कर सकते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं मॉड्यूल 1। स्टार्ट विद 2 राउंड महागायत्री मंत्र। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। Very good. Now little bit warm up. For warm up, just use your toes. Do not touch your heel on the ground. This one very simple but impactful. Now sidewise this one. Very good. Now this one. Very simple. Now Tadasana. Interlock both the palm. Breathe in, stretch whole body parts up. Hold. Slow and deep breathing throughout holding this posture. Slowly come back. Now repeat once again. Breathe in and stretch whole body parts up. Slowly come back. Repeat once again. Breathe in, stretch whole body part up. Very good. Slowly come back. Now we will practice for neck. Now start warm up. Step by step. Interlock both the palm back side. Keep your spine straight. Chest up. Breathe out. Forward bending of your neck. This one. Hold. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now try to look back. Breathe out. Look back. Breathe in. Come to center. Very good. Now tilt your neck sidewise. This one. Breathe in. Retain your breath inside. Try to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out, come to center. Change. Breathe in, retain your breath inside. And tilt another side. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out, come to center. Change. Breathe in, retain your breath inside. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out, come to center. Change. Breathe in, retain your breath inside. Tilt and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out, come to center. Now we'll practice neck rotation. Start from this point. Breathe in, half rotation. Breathe out, rest of half rotation. Complete 360 degree. Now anti-clockwise. Breathe in, half rotation. Breathe out, half rotation. This is one set. Repeat 5 sets. Very good, perfect. Now we will practice for shoulder after neck. Keep all 5 fingers together on your shoulder like this. Breathe in. Start from this point. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Try to make big circle. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Try to touch both the elbow in front for proper opening of your shoulder and chest. Similarly, in opposite direction, breathe in, breathe out. Now up and down, breathe in, breathe out. Now front and back, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Very good. Slowly come back. Now we'll practice for waist muscle and waist joint. This one. Try to make big circle. Awareness only waist muscle, waist joint. This one. Breathing will be normal during this process. 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 round in opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very perfect. Now keep both the feet together. Both the feet together. Just bend left approximately 75 degree. Keep both the palm at this place and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 round in opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Slowly come back. Now we'll practice Spine twisting. Keep both the feet aligned. Your toes and heel should be in one line. This one. Keep both the feet apart approximately 10 inches. This one. Shoulder and elbow should be in one line. Keep both the palm like this. Breathe out and twist your spine as much as easily possible. Breathe in, come to center. Breathe out and twist another side. This one. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Slowly come back. 30 come. Now, sidewise bending. This one. Keep both the feet approximately 6 inches apart. Breathe in. Raise your palm. Elbow should be straight throughout this process. Breathe out and bend sidewise. Keeping your spine in one line. Breathe out. Bend. Breathe in. Come to center. Breathe out. Bend. Breathe in. Come to center. 10 count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. Slowly come back. Now we'll practice crosswise. Simple practice for core area. This one. Keep both the palm near your navel center area and try to touch crosswise your knee. This one. It depends on your flexibility on waist muscle, waist joint, so do carefully. If you have any kind of pain, just avoid this. This one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Slowly come back. Now we'll practice for calf muscle, and this helps in circulating oxygenated blood in each and every part of your body. Interlock both the palm, back side. Breathe in, lift your heel up. Breathe out and down. This one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Very good. Slowly come back. Now little bit breathe and relax your knee joints. Now we'll practice crosswise back side. Inter both the palm, just keep like this and try to touch crosswise like this. Like this we have to cross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Very good. Perfect. Now we'll practice typing therapy. Typing therapy helps in circulating oxygenated blood in each and every parts of your body, skins, especially epidermis area. So the shining in your skin will be maintained. Let's start. Start from this point, like this. Simple practice. Make like this your palm and start from this point. Now from inside, in this one. Now from west to up, from here. Now in hand, half. Now tilt your palm like this. Change your hand. Tilt your palm. Very good. Now from forehead to back, a special facial massage from here. Complete head massage and facial massage. Slowly on back side due to spinal cord joint at this point. So slowly on that area. Slow and deep breathing during this process to send oxygenated blood in each and every area of your nerve cells. Now sidewise, this one, from here to up like this. Now slowly on the ears for ear fitness. This one. Sidewise of your neck, as through one side, oxygenated blood goes to brain nerve cells and carbon dioxide comes from another side, or deoxygenated blood comes from another side. So this one. Perfect. Now slowly on your face. Now this is facial, natural facial massage. Try to cover up each and every parts of your facial muscles. Very good. Slowly come back. Breathe in, breathe out. 2, 3 round to normalize. Now we'll start once again same process that we did earlier. Same process. This one, breathe out and twist, breathe into center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Very good. Slowly come back. 30 count. Now I'll practice sidewise bending. Same process. Just keep 6 inch apart both your feet. Breathe in. Raise your palm. Breathe out sidewise. Breathe in, come to center. Breathe out, another side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. Slowly come back. Now practice for calf muscle. Little variation. This one. Breathe in. Lift your heels up. Breathe out. Down. Like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Very good. Slowly come back. Now I'll practice a little bit relaxation for knee joints. This one. Now we'll practice crosswise. This one. Try to touch your knee to your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Very good. Slowly come back. Just release and relax. Now we'll practice crosswise. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good. Now slowly relax in Shashankasana. This one. Touch your palm on the ground, forehead on the ground. Separate your knees a little bit and just relax. Very good. Now practice cat and cow pose. Simple practice. We will do very simple. Cat and cow pose. This one. Keep your toes inside like this. Inside, you have to keep. Elbow should be straight. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out, head down, medial spine up. Just one. 15 count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Relax in Shashankasana once again. Touch your palm on the ground, forehead on the ground. This one. Very good. Repeat once again. Same process. Breathe in, head up, middle spine down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good. Relax in Shashankasana once again. Touch your palm on the ground, forehead on the ground. Separate your knees little bit and just relax. Very good, perfect. Now we practice plank pose. Plank pose very simple but impactful to tone each and every muscles of the body. Also, it is very good for professionals as having neck pain, shoulder pain, and so many kind of diseases related to neck and shoulder, cervical, etc. So try to maintain fitness. This one, keep shoulder and waist in one line, focus on only one point, hold for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Very good. Slowly come back. Keep left palm first, right over the left palm, either chin or cheek over the palm, and just relax. Very good. Now keep both the palm inside your thighs and up and down your leg for waist muscle, waist joint. This one. Breathe in, lift your leg up. Breathe out, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. Slowly come back. Left palm first, right over the left palm, either chin or cheek over the palm, and just relax. Very good. Repeat once again. Same process. Last time, last round. Breathe in and lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Very good. Keep left palm first, right over the left palm, either chin or cheek over the palm, and just relax. Now lie down from spine side by taking left turn. लेफ्ट साइड से टर्न लेते हुए लाइक दिस, लेफ्ट साइड से टर्न लेते हुए पीठ के बल लेट जाएंगे. Lie down from spine side. Just keep your body parts completely loose on the ground with awareness. Now we'll practice for navel center area. To fix navel center, breathe in and lift both the leg up to 90 degree and try to hold this one. Try to hold it 90 degree like this. Do not try to push too much to bring your leg up to 90 degree in one go. This may be difficult if you don't have flexibility in your waist muscle, waist joint. But slowly you can bring up to 90 degree. Now slowly lower down at 60 degree and try to hold. During holding, you can slowly breathe in, breathe out as the normal breathing pattern. You can follow. Slowly bring back at 30 degree and try to hold. Slowly come back. Just release and relax. Now practice once again, last time, last round, breathe in, lift up to 90 degree and try to hold this one. Slowly bring back at 60 degree and try to hold. Slowly bring back at 30 degree and try to hold. And slowly come back. Slow and deep breathing to 3 rounds to normalize. Now I'll practice counterbalance, that is dynamic breeze pose. It is very good for your heart, your lungs, waist muscle, waist joint, knee joints, and complete spine. Simple practice. Bend your knees, give approximately 6-inch gap between your feet. Keep both the palm on the ground. Breathe in, lift your waist up like this. Breathe out and down. Simple practice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. Slowly come back, just release and relax. Now focus on your navel center movement. Breathe in, your navel center should come up, while breathing out, it will go down like this. Control over your breathing. Now repeat once again. Breathe in, lift your waist up as much as easily possible. Breathe out and down. This one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. Slowly come back. Just release and relax. Now counterbalance of this, that is air releasing pose or Pavan Muktasana. This one. Breathe out completely. Try to bring your nostril between the knees and hold. Try to hold. Slow and deep breathing, 5 rounds holding this posture. Breathe in, slowly come back, just release and relax. Repeat once again, same process. Breathe out completely. Try to hold. Breathe in, breathe out, 5 rounds. Breathe in, slowly come back, just release and relax. Now you practice spine twisting. This one, keep both the palm parallel to your shoulder, bend your knees and keep over the another knees like this. Breathe out, bend one side and try to look opposite side of your leg bend. Hold. Breathe in, come to center, change. दूसरी तरफ से same process. Shoulders should not be lifted from any of these sides. Breathe in, come to center, change, same process. Feel twisting effect from tailbone to spinal cord. Breathe in, come to center, change, last time, last round. Breathe in, come to center. Now I practice rocking roll. Up and down, 5 rounds, sidewise, 5 rounds. This one. 4 back massage. Now sidewise. Slowly come back. Now 2 minutes Shwasana or complete relaxation pose or Yoga Nidra. Just try to adjust to each and every parts of your body, each and every joints of your body and leave loose completely on the ground. Keep both the feet apart, approximately 12-inch gap and both the palm 6 inch apart from your waist area. Try to circulate your awareness at each and every parts of your body, each and every joints of your body and leave loose completely on the ground. You should not move your body part during the process of complete relaxation or Yoga Nidra and try to Maintain a smile on the face throughout this process for optimum result. Do not try to control your breath. Let your breathing be automatic to be connected with universal energy and force and feel unstoppable in life. Do not try to control your breath during this process. Let your breathing be automatic. Try to avoid the fluctuation of mind. If it fluctuates and goes anywhere else, try to bring back your awareness mind at your nostril area tip and keep observing your automatic breathings only, how you are breathing in and breathing out, maintaining a smile on the face continuously without break. Keep observing your automatic breathings, maintaining a smile on the face continuously without break, with complete awareness and focus. Very good. Slowly come back and try to visualize each and every parts of your body, each and every joints of your body, each and every cells of your body are being circulated with oxygenated blood and becomes completely fit and strong from all the four perspective, from social, mental, physical and spiritual, four-dimensional fitness. And make tight fist and try to visualize yourself as the strongest person, the strongest woman, and take it as a oath for the day that will maintain a smile on the face, will make others also smile over you meet or talk to. Now rub both the palm, plan the face, your eyes, and sit down by taking left turn for pranayama practice. Slowly come back like this. प्रिय दोस्तों, यदि आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं योग अभ्यासों को, मेरे साथ यदि स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो 6 AM to 7 AM एक बैच चलता है जो निरंतर प्रोफेशनल्स को फिट रखने के लिए ज़रूरी है और टाइमिंग के हिसाब से भी बहुत परफेक्ट है, क्योंकि ऑफिस वगैरह जाना होता है। तो 6 to 7 तक आप सारे कुछ यदि कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं तो बाकी का कार्य आसानी पूर्वक कर सकते हैं, और इस टाइम पीरियड में कुछ वैसा काम अर्जेंसी भी नहीं रहता यदि आप शिफ्ट में काम नहीं कर रहे हैं तो इसीलिए दिस इज द वेरी गुड टाइम and important for each and every professional to join this from 6 to 7 AM. To join, just call at 8800730473, or you can WhatsApp also on this number so that I can add in the list and you will be part of this community. Four-dimensional fitness, JNU Pro system always welcome and motivate professionals to be fit, because you are the hero of your family. You have immense responsibility on your shoulder, so your shoulders must be strong enough to bear all kinds of pressures related to job, related to family and any other colleagues. So to be medicine free and disease free, enjoyable life. This is the only way. The yogic system, yogic sciences must be part of your lifestyle to maintain enjoyable life throughout your lifespan. Thank you for watching. Try to share this video as much as possible and try to motivate others also to be part of this community, because as महर्षि पतंजलि सेज अथ पिंडे तत् ब्रह्मांडे, जो बाहर का ज्ञान है, बाहर का नॉलेज है, वो कुछ नहीं है, वो तुच्छ है, तुच्छ है। सारा ज्ञान आपके भीतर है, क्योंकि आप ही के भीतर पूरा ब्रह्मांड है, 5 तत्वों से निर्माण ब्रह्मांड का और 5 तत्वों से निर्माण शरीर का। तो सारे कण आपके भीतर मौजूद है, वही वो बड़ा है, आपके भीतर कण है। लेकिन यदि पोटेशियम का एक बड़ा गोला ले, उसमें से छोटा सा कण निकाल दें तो उसमें भी पोटेशियम ही रहेगा। सिमिलर वे जो भी यूनिवर्स में ज्ञान है, नॉलेज, वो सब कुछ भीतर है, बस खोजने के लिए आपको डिस्कवर करना पड़ता है सेल्फ को। तो सेल्फ डिस्कवरी, अपने अंदर भीतर, अपने भीतर झांकने के लिए प्रत्याहार बोलते हैं इसे, यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार, अंदर देखना, अंदर झांकना। तो प्रत्याहार से आपको वो सही सही ज्ञान, सही नॉलेज मिलेगा, जिससे आप ये जो भाग दौड़ की जिंदगी है और जो लगता है आपको कि सिर्फ यही जिंदगी है, उससे आप बाहर निकल जाते हैं और फिर आपका लाइफ इंजॉयबल हो जाता है। जैसे जैसे ज्ञान बढ़ जाता है, ज्ञान का बढ़ जाना ये एक दिन का चीज नहीं है, प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा। तो आप समझ पाएंगे ज्ञान का भंडार भीतर ही है, बस उसे खोजना पड़ेगा। वैदिक ज्ञान आता है वेदों के अनुसरण से, योगिक साइंस के अनुसरण से, अष्टांग योग के अनुसरण से। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही दोस्तों। और हमारे शास्त्रों के हिसाब से आप देखें तो हम लोग सभी चाहते हैं कि सभी सुखी रहे, सभी साधन संपन्न रहे और लाइफ को इंजॉयबल बनाए रखें। उसमें हम सबका सपोर्ट करते रहें, एक दूसरे का सपोर्ट सहयोग करते रहें, ताकि लोग आनंदमय हो और इन्वायरमेंट वैसा क्रिएट हो कि सभी आनंदित होकर जिएं और जीने योग्य ये संसार बने। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ ग्रेट डे। फिर मिलता है।